Welcome back to the channel. Want to study like the smartest students in the world? What if I told you that success at Harvard isn't about being a genius, it's about mastering the right techniques? In this video, we're diving into 5 powerful study strategies that top Harvard students use every day, methods you can steal to boost your focus, productivity, and results. Let's go! Most students reread their notes over and over. Harvard students? They quiz themselves constantly. This is called active recall. Instead of just reviewing material, you actively pull information from your memory, forcing your brain to work. Why it works. Strengthens memory, identifies weak areas, faster long-term learning pro tip. After every lecture or reading, close your notes and try to write down everything you remember. Then check for gaps. Harvard students know that cramming doesn't work. Instead, they review information at strategic intervals. This method takes advantage of the spacing effect. Your brain remembers more when you review over time. Tool to use: Anki, Quizlet, or a good old-fashioned calendar planner. Bonus tip: combine active recall with spaced repetition for maximum power. Struggle with focus? Harvard students love the pomodoro technique. You study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It trains your brain to stay focused without burning out. Why it works: reduces procrastination, builds consistent focus, encourages rest and balance. Pro tip: use apps like Focus Keeper or Tomato Timer. One of the most underrated methods is teaching. When you explain a concept in your own words, you realize what you truly understand and what you don't. Harvard students often form study groups where they teach each other to reinforce material. Challenge: teach a concept to a friend or record yourself teaching it. If you can't explain it simply, you don't know it well enough. Harvard students are ruthless about protecting their focus. They schedule deep work blocks, 90-minute sessions with no distractions, no multitasking, no phone, just pure focused study. Eliminate social media notifications, background noise. Pro tip: use website blockers like Cold Turkey or Freedom during deep work blocks. These study techniques are simple but powerful. They separate the top 1% from the rest. So whether you're in high school, college, or just trying to learn faster, implement even one of these tips today and you'll feel the difference. Success isn't about being smarter. It's about being more strategic. And now you've got the blueprint. Try just one this week and see the results for yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical brain-boosting videos. Study smart, and see you in the next one.